Hi guys, I'm Meg. I'm currently studying A-levels at Coleg Gwent, and this is what it means to be part of the Girls Rugby Academy.
Training 4 to 5 times a week means that come game day, everybody has confidence and clarity in their roles. We're currently preparing for our 7th season, which starts over the next 2 weeks. Within training, we also have gym sessions with access to great S&C coaches. All of this training is factored in around my studies. Alongside the hard work comes many rewards, such as playing in insane stadiums with your best friends.
The girls from Gwent have done it!
The Female Rugby Academy has helped me in so many ways, with balancing my A-levels alongside my training and developing with the best coaches, all whilst doing it with my best friends. So if you're thinking of coming to Coleg Gwent and you love rugby, definitely continue your development at the Female Rugby Academy.